Welcome to Paradise Resort Gold Coast and our superior family rooms, all located in Captain's Quarters. Captain's Quarters is situated at the back of the resort along Oak Avenue. And whether you're a parent looking for a little bit of privacy or a child eager to conquer the top bunk, the superior family rooms feature 2 bedrooms and are highly sought after, with only 12 of them available. The main room features 2 queen beds, and the second bedroom has 2 sets of single bunk beds, with a second television making this an ideal room type for families of 8, or up to 9 with the addition of a portable cot for infants up to 2 years. And although our rooms at Paradise Resort are hotel style, they are not equipped with a full kitchen. However, you will still find a small bar fridge, microwave, toaster, and a kettle. In the ensuite, you'll find a shower and toilet, plus bath and body products, including bath towels, a hairdryer, hand soap, shampoo, and body wash, which will all be replenished as part of our daily housekeeping service. These rooms are also fitted with an air conditioner to help beat the Gold Coast heat, along with an iron and ironing board, plus a balcony with table and chairs. And to top it all off, guests can sit back and enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi on your own private balcony.